Hi, have you ever had your hard drive just lock up and die? Or business files lost due to fire, flood, or theft? I have. That's why I choose to back up with Data Vault Security. Imagine losing your photos from that hard-earned overseas trip. With Data Vault Security, it's not an issue. Just log into your private account, click on Restore, and your files are returned back to your computer. We're so confident that your data is secure with us that we're the only company in the industry that offers a $2 million restore offer. We also have your uploaded files scanned for viruses. You can access your data from any PC or laptop anywhere in the world. With features like military encryption, our easy-to-use setup wizard, and being able to run on almost any operating system, Data Vault Security is the clear choice for keeping your data secure. Right now we have a great offer running for your business or home users. If you send us an email at yourdata@datavaultsecurity.biz and in the subject line put free trial, we will rush you our special offer where you get a free test drive of the product. You can test your download speed and get a quick run through of how the product actually works. Also, if you purchase a one-year subscription, we give you 1 month free. That email again is yourdata@datavaultsecurity.biz. In the subject line put free trial and we'll rush yours immediately. Data Vault Security. Set it, save it, and forget it.